Today, in Training Toolbox, we are going to learn more about the typical day in the life of a chimney sweep. When driving in a work van. The first thing you want to remember when driving in a work van is that you are advertising your business. Keep it clean and always keep track of the regular maintenance, oil changes, oil level, transmission fluid level, brake fluid, etc. Keep it clean. The cleanliness of your work van is also a key element. The cleaner you and your van look, the more professional you appear. Be organized. Also, always be organized, whether it's paperwork or the back of your work vehicle. When you know where everything is and you put it back in its designated spot, you can't lose anything. You also are more prepared for jobs, and that makes them easier in many aspects. The day starts early for a chimney sweep. The days are early, and you will be starting in the early hours most days. You will need to plan out a schedule for the day. After checking email and grabbing paperwork, you are out the door and running. Another big thing is being on time to your jobs. Make sure that you schedule your jobs to allow time for complications. You never know what can pop up, on-the-spot repairs and things of that nature. Scheduling jobs a little later in the morning helps with traffic issues, but if you're not able to do so, then allow plenty of time to get there. Being prompt is a big deal to customers even if they don't say so. When you arrive at a customer's home, go to the door with your clipboard, tarp, and anything small you can carry to make less trips. The more organized you appear, the better the customer feels about having you in their home. Cleanliness and organization are two key components of any chimney sweep's day. I know what you're thinking, a clean chimney sweep? Impossible. Not if you keep everything, including tools and yourself, clean. Then, you look more professional, and in the end, clean equals happy customers, and that is the main goal, to make your customers happy. While in a customer's home, be as polite and courteous as possible. Make them feel like you're the only sweep they'll need for any chimneys issues. Repeat customers are what will make your company thrive. Another thing you always want to look for is better ways to perform your job. There are always advancements in any field of work, so keep your eyes open for an easier way to do things, and get a set routine for all the various jobs that are involved with chimneys. Once you have a set way of doing things, your jobs will seem to fly by, and you'll gradually be able to do them faster and more efficiently, while making the customer feel good about you being their chimney sweep. When performing the work, it is your responsibility to ensure that the work performed is in accordance with the plans and specifications, while following state laws and local building codes. It is also everyone's responsibility that all work is performed in a safe manner, adhering to applicable safety regulations. A lot of your time will be spent on the move and in conversation, with the work actually not always being the main part of your day. It's a job that at times needs a lot of explanation, so you will probably spend a fair amount of time consulting with your customers, and making sure they are happy to take the job on a bit further. Finally, at the end of the day, make phone calls to people who have left phone and email messages, order new supplies, approve invoices for payment, and arrange your work for the next day. Another long but successful day is in the books. You will be pleased to see the new developments coming to life within the chimney business and your local community. Thanks for watching our videos. We work hard to make sure you keep coming back for the content we produce. Feel free to leave feedback below. What kind of videos would you like to see? Let us know in the comments.